I think it's important now because we don't know how fast the population is going to adopt electric vehicles. Now, I know there's some legislation that makes it sound like by 35 years from now or something like that, there's going to be nothing but electric vehicles. I doubt that's going to happen. However, what it reminds me of is, once again, it reminds me of hybrids. Hybrids used to be these high technology spaceships, and now a hybrid vehicle is just a vehicle that gets good mileage on gas. That's how people think about it. And electric vehicles are going to be the same. So you're going to have your family that depends upon you to take care of their Chevy Suburban, but they also have, for example, a Volvo electric vehicle in their driveway as well. And they're going to want, my opinion, they're going to probably want the same person to work on it. And that's just a perfect opening for the aftermarket. The other thing too is I don't want to trivialize the amount of learning and the amount of gaining of experience that the shops are going to need to become competent. So I can do all the training that I want. They can go to every single class of mine, but they still need to have experience actually working on the vehicles, seeing where they fall short, seeing what kind of tools they should have bought, and maybe they can buy them now, things like that.